Hello everyone, our subject EVS and today we are going to learn our need for water. Now first tell me, when you cry, what flows from your eyes? Tears flow from our eyes. When we see a tamarind pod, our mouth started watering. Then our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. What does this tell us? Tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. Fruits and vegetables also contain water. Now try this activity, but do this activity under adult supervision. Take a small piece of cucumber, grate it, squeeze it hard. Then take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard. What do you see? Juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. What does it tell us? There is a water in a cucumber and a lemon. Need of water. All the living things and the man need water. Water is one part of our body. We need water if our body has to function properly. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. We must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, other living things too need water. Now see a public source of water. The place where all the people from the village come together to get the water is called a public source of water. Domestic animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats come to such place to drink water. Animals also bath in this water. People from the village wash their clothes here. People carry the same water from here to their use. But we must keep the public source of water clean in order to protect our health. Do you know, people who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail. We know that these animals do get thirsty. But there are thousands of other animals. We do not realize that they too need water. Ants, honeybees, crabs, scorpions and all other animals need water. And wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So people to go there in order to sight the wild animals. The importance of water. People need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture and industry as well. Water is very important in our lives. Now see need of water for plants. We water our potted plants. Farmers water the crops in their fields. That means plants need a lot of water. Plants absorb water from the soil with the help of their roots. Trees in the forest also absorb rainwater seeped in the layers of soil. Thank you.